Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update segment workspace settings for new destinations, complete guide step by step clearly. To update your segment workspace settings for new destinations, start by logging into your segment account. Once logged in, navigate to your workspace dashboard. On the left-hand menu, click on the Settings option. In the Settings menu, locate and select the Destinations tab. Here, you'll see a list of your current destinations. To add a new destination, click on the Add Destination button. You'll see a list of available destinations categorized for easy access. Scroll through the list or use the search bar to find the specific destination you want to add. Once you locate it, click on the destination's name to initiate the setup process. Follow the on-screen prompts to configure the destination settings. You may need to input necessary API keys or authentication details specific to that destination. After entering the required information, review your configuration carefully. If everything looks correct, click on the Save button to finalize the setup. Now, return to the Destinations tab to ensure your newly added destination appears in the list. To adjust workspace settings for existing destinations, click on the destination you want to modify. Make any necessary changes to the configuration settings as needed. Save your changes once you have updated the settings. To ensure successful data flow, test the destination by using the built-in testing feature. After testing, confirm that the data is sending correctly by checking the destination's dashboard. Repeat the process for any additional destinations you wish to add or update. Now your segment workspace is ready with the new destinations configured successfully. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.